There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Oh baby, yeah. You gotta rock and wait in this. Come on.
Hi guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these beautiful spice inspired butterfly locks. The hair that I use is from Twisted Up and it is their Bonita locks in 18 inches. The hair is very beautiful. I chose the color blue because I was really inspired by dancehall artist Spice and her blue hair. So I'm just showing you the hair that I used for the locks, and in order to like conceal my natural hair, I'm going to be using this Yaman hair in the color blue. So what we are going to be doing is the individual crochet method. So I'm going to show you guys what it is that I'm talking about, but these two definitely complemented each other well. And I'm also going to be needing to use my scissors and my crochet locks. So let's begin. I did go ahead and try and start, just to get my mojo going before I could show you guys what it is that I was doing. I did go ahead and parted off my hair into some rubber band twists because I don't really like crochet, like when you crochet your hair in KREW, I don't like to do my hair like that. I really like to do the individual crochet method, and that is what I'm going to be showing you. As you can see, my hair is a little bit long, so I had to crochet it into itself and then use the Yaman hair to kind of wrap around my hair to conceal the black hair and to conceal my natural hair. So I just took one strand of the Yaman hair and I am separating them, fluffing them up so that it is easier for me to wrap around my hair. So now I'm just going to be starting to wrap it around. I did go ahead and do like the base, wrap the base a few times, and then I just wrap it all the way down. I'm wrapping it a little bit loose because I didn't want it to be too tight on my scalp. So I used one strand of the Yaman hair and then I'm going in with another strand to create some thickness, and so that the locks can be consistent with the Bonita locks down the bottom. I hope you guys are understanding me clearly, but this part is self-explanatory. I am just wrapping my hair and then I'm taking some Got To Be spray and I am sealing it together. So I'm not using any glue, I'm just sealing it with some Got To Be spray, and I think this method worked out really well. I didn't have much unraveling, so I am really pleased with that method. And yes, I'm really excited about this hairstyle. I was going on vacation, so I was really excited to try a different color. I always try to do my hair in a different color every time I go on vacation. So as you can tell, I'm really feeling my hair at this point. This is how the back is looking like. You can definitely see the sections. Wow, I must commend myself on the parting because I did not know it was that good. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few more times what it is that I'm doing. I loop my hair into the crochet hair, then I loop my hair through my hair again at the base. And remember, the base of my hair has rubber bands in it, so it was easy for me to do that. And then I lined up my hair. Right here I was trying to see if I could loop it again to make it a little bit shorter because I didn't want to use too much of the Yaman hair to wrap my hair. So I was trying to see if I could just loop it twice, loop my hair twice in and of itself like that. But I decided against it because I didn't really want all of that extra work, to be honest, and it wasn't an easy method when I did it like that, me personally. And also I wanted to loop it like that because I was thinking that the hair at the front was going to be longer than the hair at the back. So I mean, you guys could try it, maybe you guys would be better at it than me, but I just went ahead. I completed the back and now I'm doing the front. I went ahead and looped it how I normally would, and then of course going in with the got to be spray to seal it, and then that's it. As far as I can tell, this hairstyle is pretty easy in my very humble opinion. I really enjoyed this hairstyle. It took me a couple of hours, not very long, but I mean, I totally enjoyed it. And as you can tell, at the front of my hair, I decided to use one strand of the Yaman hair, so I wasn't going to be doing 2 strands anymore. I just used 1 strand and wrap my hair, merge it with the locks, and that's it. Seal it with the got to be spray, and that is it. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few more times how it is that I achieved the locks. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer the questions for you. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. These are the types of content that I do on my channel: hair, natural hair, braiding, a little makeup here and there, and of course I do a lot of Jamaican vlogs. So if you are interested in that type of comment, be sure to subscribe. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how it is that I achieved a few more of these locks, and then when I come back, I'm going to let you know about the final results. So stay tuned.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that you be talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo. Ani bibo and shayo, ani bibo and shayo, ani bibo and shayo, 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 ani bibo and shayo, ani bibo and shayo, ani bibo and shayo, I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Kachuru Achuru. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Kachuru Achuru. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, ani bibo and shayo, 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 pull the pain away from me. Without you around, I couldn't be. And I know you fell in love with me. Love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Wouldn't see me without you, babe. Love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Wouldn't see me without you, babe. I've been searching for you every day, so bad that I found you, boy. I've been feeling for you every day. I'm so happy, baby. I'm so happy that I fell in love. Thank God he sent you love. I'm so happy that I found someone. Thank God he sent you
What's my
Are you Ellie?
It's Mary Jane, I'm analyzing the game.
And the game done chose me.
To bring pain to pretty women and fake thugs, one and the same.
Ever since you told me
There's only room for two, I've been making less room for you.
now only God can hold me.
Hug me, love me, judge me, the only man that hovers above me. Holler.
I met so many men and it's like they're all the same. My appetite for loving is now my hunger pain. And when I'm feeling sexy, who's gonna comfort me? My only problem is their insecurity. Yeah, yeah,
Arguing on the phone,
yeah, yeah,
why you telling all your friends?
yeah, yeah.
Don't understand
Why not? 'Cause I'm real.
the way you walk, the way you move, the way you
'Cause
talk,
I'm real.
the way you stare, the way you look, your style, your hair,
I'm
the
real.
way you smile, the way you smell, it drives me
I'm real.
and I can't go on without you. I've been thinking about the relationship and I wanna know, is it as good as it gets? Cause we've been through the worst times and the best times, but it was our time even if it was part time. Now they been looking at me, smiling at me, laughing like
So at this point, I am so relieved that I'm done. I'm showing you guys what it looks like before I did any form of styling, before I apply any mousse. I absolutely love the look. I had so much fun in this hairstyle. You can style it so many ways. I got a ton of compliments. I kept this hair in for 3 weeks and I totally fell in love. Let me know in the comment section below if you will be trying this hairstyle, or if you like the hairstyle, you can let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you have not subscribed as yet, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember to hit the like button, it really helps me out a lot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my last video where I attempted to do the trendy viral double dutch hairstyle. It was such a good look. Check it out and let me know what you guys think. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And I can't go on without you.